Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. If you want to reduce eye strain or just prefer a darker interface, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on the Discord app for Android. This simple change will make your chatting experience much more comfortable, especially in low light. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down until you see the Appearance option and tap on it. After that, select the Theme option. Finally, choose the black color option to activate dark mode. And that's all it takes to switch to dark mode on Discord for Android. Now your app looks sleek and is easier on your eyes during nighttime use. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you next time.